Welcome to MellowBites. I'm Purna.
I'm Deepa.
Today we're making a recipe that a lot of people buy in the store.
Yeah, it's peanut butter. Trust me guys, you can make it in just 10 minutes from scratch. Let's take a look into the ingredients. All you need is 1 cup of raw peanuts.
You'll also need 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of honey.
Today we are going to use this mini air fryer to fry our peanuts. You can use store-bought roasted peanuts too.
This air fryer comes with this mini measuring cup. So we're going to take 1 cup of peanuts and then we're just going to put it in this and start frying our peanuts.
All the peanuts are roasted now. I'm going to take a bowl and a plate and transfer the peanuts into the bowl. To discard the skin. I'm going to get the help of my son to discard the skin. It's just easy.
My brother has helped me discard the skin from the peanuts. Now I'm going to add the peanuts into the blender. Then we're going to add olive oil
And the honey.
and honey.
So let's blend this until it turns into a smooth texture. So we have blended. It looks so smooth. Sometimes it looks grainy. If in that case you can add a little more oil to it. Here we have used olive oil. You can use oil of your choice and then make it into a creamy consistency. You have to blend until there.
Now can I transfer it to this container, Mom?
Sure.
Just as we promised, in 10 minutes your own peanut butter. Now let's just forget the store-bought ones.
Thank you for watching guys. See you in the next video.
Bye!